Is this thing on?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when they...
Is this thing on? Oh, hey y'all. And welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Today's video, I am going to be going to Starbucks this morning. It is National Red Cup Day, which makes it today being November the 16th. So anyways, everything that you need to know about Starbucks Red Cup Day, how to get a free cup, let's do it. So one of the most eager and anticipated days of the year for Starbucks customers is the annual Red Cup Day, and that is basically where you get a free reusable red holiday cup to customers who order a holiday beverage while supplies last. So with that being said, what drinks can you order on National Red Cup Day so that you guys know for future references for next year? Some of them are listed here. But also you can order either the fall drinks if they're still out, and you can also order the Christmas holiday ones that are out. So I know you're probably wondering, like, how do I get a free cup at Starbucks? Customers can get a free cup by ordering in any of the holiday or fall beverages at any temperature. It could be iced, it could be hot, it could be blended, totally up to you. So some of the drinks that fall under that category are apple crisp, oat milk macchiato, caramel brulee latte, chestnut praline latte, gingerbread latte, gingerbread oat milk chai, hot chocolate, iced apple crisp, oat milk shaken espresso, the peppermint hot chocolate, peppermint mocha, peppermint white hot chocolate, and pumpkin cream chai latte, pumpkin cold brew, pumpkin spice latte, sugar cookie almond latte, and white hot chocolate. So I'm gonna get ready to get on the app and order mine ahead of time if they allow it. If not, that's okay. I'm dressed and ready. Just have to put my shoes on, brush my teeth, and brush my hair out, and of course get my kiddos together to go with me. Alright, so I'm about to get on the Starbucks app, and of course they have like that festive background to it. Anyways, let's go ahead and get ready to send in an order. I might try to do 2 orders. I'm not sure exactly how many festive cups that they'll give, but my mom wants one, so I'm gonna try to do 2 orders. My coworkers are putting in their orders, and I'll just pick those up while I'm up there. So if you go to like the featured favorites, which is like the festive flavors and then the icy festive, you have 8 of each. So it's the peppermint mocha, caramel brulee latte, gingerbread oat milk chai, gingerbread latte, sugar cookie almond latte, chestnut praline latte, white chocolate mocha, and hot chocolate. Not bad. And if you go over to the icy favorites or icy festivity, you have the iced gingerbread oat milk chai, the peppermint mocha frappuccino, iced sugar cookie almond milk latte, caramel brulee frappuccino blended, and then iced peppermint mocha, white chocolate mocha, and then the chestnut praline frappuccino and iced caramel brulee latte. So also, if you haven't tried any of the holiday treats, you definitely have to. There's the snowman cookie, the sugar plum cheese Danish, and then there's the peppermint brownie cake pop. There's also the cranberry bliss bar, the gingerbread loaf, and a cranberry bliss bar tray. Alright, so I finally got the order put in. It'll be ready in about 3 to 6 minutes, but it's only 6:22 and I don't need to go yet. I want to wait till 6:45, that way I'm not too early for work. But anyways, I have the sugar plum cheese Danish, which is amazing. I'm gonna give the peppermint brownie cake pop a try. It has like peppermint pieces or candy cane pieces, one of them, and brownie. And then I'm gonna give the iced sugar cookie almond milk latte a try, a caramel brulee latte, and my kids wanted the mocha cookie crumble. I'm also gonna do a iced apple crisp oat milk shake and espresso. This is something that I can drink for later, but I want to do the caramel brulee one hot to give it a try. I haven't tried that one yet, so that'll be my taste test for today. And that's it. If you guys get the chance when you go to your local Starbucks to give the gingerbread latte a try, definitely try it. I would say that it is really good. I just like honestly prefer it cold instead of hot, but either way I still feel like they both taste great. One just, you know, is better hot because of the flavoring, and the other one is better cold because the ice and the gingerbread, like at the bottom, is better. Exactly. See, my mom's worrying me already, y'all. Alright, it is 6:47. I've placed my order. My 2 coworkers have texted me with their order, and my mother. Alright, I am officially in the car heading up to Starbucks to go get our orders. So I am going to give you guys the rundown once I get up here, after I leave, of like things you should know for future references on National Cup Day at Starbucks, because sometimes not everything goes according to plan, I can tell you that. It is 32 degrees out here this morning, so it is cold. And so yes to a hot, nice coffee. Alright, Starbucks is right over there. Right now it looks empty. We'll see about this drive-through situation once I make it around the corner. Y'all, it's only like 1 or 2 people in this line. What? Cheese Danish is really good. The cranberry bliss bar has cranberries in it.
What is that? Ham and cheese? What is that?
The ham and Swiss. Oh, ham and Swiss croissant is good.
That look disgusting.
All right, I'm almost up here, y'all. Woo! I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Boy,
and I just can't hide it.
give me my side.
You know, I am excited. Y'all. Alright, so if you do your order in the app and you, you know, like are afraid that you did it way too early, never fret, because at the bottom it clearly tells you, like, pull up to the drive-thru and ask the barista for an order for whoever. So I'll need to ask for an order for 4 people. See how this goes.
You said that you needed me like a cargo.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. My name's Anya. Can I have a name for your order today?
Hey Anya, I'm picking up a total of 4 orders. Do you want me just to pull around?
Yeah, you're all good to pull on.
Okay. Let me show y'all the cups. Alright, so the cups are right here. Alright, so it definitely didn't take long. They have all of the red cups sitting up here at the window to roll out, you know, to anyone that orders like those holiday festive drinks. So we shall see. Thank you. That's okay. All right, kids, let's go. Come on. Here. I got 6 cups.
Knuckles said,
Thank you.
You got sick.
Is this all my order for Sierra, or it's everyone's together?
Hold on. This is Laura, and these 2 are Sierra.
Okay, okay. We'll figure it out at work.
Yeah, it should have everybody's name on it.
Okay.
Hi, did this spell your name right?
Who knows?
So this has Sierra, Monica, and Courtney.
Okay. I appreciate it so much. Y'all have a good day. That was it, right? Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, so how it works is any festive drink that you order, you get a holiday cup. So I seen her with the stack in her hand. Here are the festive cups for 2023. They come with the reusable lid. So it looks like I got 6 holiday drinks. So that is the reason why I got 6 festive cups. Isn't that cool, y'all? 6 festive cups, 6 drinks. My mom ordered one. I ordered quite a few, and my 2 coworkers. So that means that I will have 4 reusable cups to use and to have for myself. And on top of that, I am on time for work, so what a plus for that. I do not remember which one is the caramel brulee latte. I'm heading into work before I lose my camera. I'll let you guys know what I think of the caramel brulee latte. Alright, so I did get the sugar plum cheese Danish. Y'all, this little thing is amazing. I can't stand when it went out of stock last year. And then what's new on the menu peppermint wise is this cute peppermint brownie cake pop. Alright, so I got the grande caramel brulee latte. I also got the my mom got the grande white mocha, even though she's not drinking it. She lives an hour away from me. She just wanted it so she can get her red cup. I also have the grande gingerbread latte. I can always reheat these tomorrow, so if I choose to drink one this morning, cool. But I do want to try the grande caramel brulee latte. Yeah, sweet.
I hate to give the satisfaction asking how you.
Alright, y'all, so I tried the drinks this morning at Starbucks, and they were all honestly amazing. I just felt like I just kind of felt that there were certain ones that were my favorite overall. The caramel brulee latte was definitely sweet, but good. So I would say definitely give it a try if you can. I'm glad I was able to catch the solo cup day, as 2 of my coworkers, they each got 1, and I end up with 4. So not sure how that happened, but it is what it is. So now I can tell you all, yes, every holiday drink that you order on the menu, you will get a red solo cup for, in my opinion, because that's what I got. Other people might have, like, you know, a different experience, but on this trip it was a successful one. So I hope that you all have enjoyed, and I hope that you all be sure to give this video a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button down below. See you in tomorrow's vlog.